Hello viewers, this is the IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to use web capture in Microsoft Edge browser. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. It's a very easy way to capture web snapshot in Microsoft Edge. Just right click on empty area and you will find an option web capture, and the shortcut key is Control Shift S. Control Shift and S, or click on this option web capture. Now you can select your desired location for your captured image. I am selecting look, click on make capture. The image has been captured. Now if you want, you can draw anything here or erase. Now if you want to share, you can share this image. If you want to save the image to your computer, just click on save, and the image has been saved to the computer. Look, this is the web captured image. It is JPEG image, and I'm going to open the image. The image has been opened in Paint. Now close Paint, close File Explorer, close Web Capture window. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.